Hello friends, welcome back to PharmaChem Insights. In today's video, we will learn how to prepare 10 millimolar potassium dihydrogen phosphate KH2PO4 solution step by step with proper calculation. This solution is widely used in HPLC mobile phase preparation, buffer preparation, pharmaceutical analysis. So let's begin with the calculation. Understanding the concentration. We need to prepare 10 millimolar solution. So we know that 10 millimolar is equal to 0.01 moles per liter. That is 1000 millimolar is equal to 1 molar. So 10 millimolar is equal to 0.01 molar. Now the molecular weight of potassium dihydrogen phosphate KH2PO4 is 136.09 gram per mole. Now let's see the calculation part for 1 liter. Formula is mass is equal to molarity into molecular weight into volume in liters. So let's put the values in formula. That is mass is equal to molarity is 0.01 into molecular weight, that is 136.09 into volume in liters, that is 1. So by calculating we get 1.3609 grams. So to prepare 1 liter of 10 millimolar KH2PO4 solution, we should weigh 1.3609 grams, can round to 1.36 gram. Materials required. So we require potassium dihydrogen phosphate KH2PO4, analytical valence, 1000 ml volumetric flask, beaker, glass rod, distilled or milky water. Now let's see the preparation procedure. Accurately weigh 1.36 gram of KH2PO4 and transfer into a clean beaker. Add about 700 to 800 ml distilled water, stir until completely dissolved. Transfer to a 1000 ml volumetric flask. Then make up the volume to the mark with distilled water. Mix properly by inverting the flask. So this is your 10 millimolar potassium dihydrogen phosphate solution is ready. Now in case if you have to prepare 100 ml instead of 1 liter, put the values in the following formula, that is mass is equal to molarity into molecular weight into volumes in liters. So by putting the values, mass is equal to molarity is 0.01 into molecular weight, that is 136.09 into volume, that is 100 ml, but we have to take in liters, so it will be 0.1. So by calculating we get mass is equal to 0.136 gram. So weigh 0.136 gram for 100 ml. So that's it. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on preparing 10 millimolar KH2PO4 solution. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more lab practical videos and analytical chemistry content. See you in the next one. Thank you once again. Bye.